Let's say you work at a startup and you're building a product, but you need a marketing site that shows a bit of commerce and some personalization and some data from headless sources. And you actually need a composable DXP. And here at Uniform, we are able to give that to you. It's going to be enterprise grade and it's completely Mac Alliance focused. And it's really simple to set up. So in this video, I want to show you how to do that by actually going through the system and setting it all up for you live. So it's a one taker. There's not going to be any edits and you can probably just follow along if you have the right prerequisites. Okay, so let's starting by building our own DXP. And so let's have a start because we need a couple of things, right? We need a CMS. And in this case, we're going to go for Contentful. And for commerce, I want to use BigCommerce. And for a front-end framework, we want NextJS. And a CDN delivery framework is going to be Vercel. And we will not be doing analytics for this demo. And I also don't need a marketing cloud just now. So I just created the stack that I like that Uniform supports. And let's actually launch our stack and get this demo on the road. So signing me in. Let's see where we are. So let's start a new project because basically our personalization engine has realized the things that I just clicked. It knows about me. So when I now start my new project, it will remember and it will select the right things for me. And so what I want to do in this demo is grab a personalized Jamstack website on Vercel with commerce connected. So that's why we selected BigCommerce, right? So let's rock. Yes, we go on Vercel, and you need a couple of prerequisites before you can do this smoothly. So you need a GitHub account so we can put the code repository for you on your account. You need a Contentful account where you can add a new space. You need a store owner login for BigCommerce so you're able to connect to that and we can query it. And you need a Vercel account, of course, to be able to deploy it to Vercel. All these things are actually free. You can just go ahead and sign yourself up and then do this same flow and you're off to go. All right, so we're creating this new project now. So we kind of have to figure out what to do with the content and it needs to log into Contentful to be able to add the demo content there. So I was already logged in. So let me select the space I want to add my space to, and let's call it DXP, and create the space. So this tool here is behind the scenes doing a lot of things with these headless systems. And so we're actually adding some little applications from Uniform into Contentful. And we're also adding our starter kit demo content into Contentful for you. So you have something to play with. Here it goes. It's processing the assets. And it's publishing them. And we should be ready to rock imminently. There we go. So now we need to connect to BigCommerce. And so let's see. I have been logged in already. So let me just select my account and the store that I own. There it is. And now it's actually installed the BigCommerce app with Uniform. Alrighty. So now comes the next thing. What we need to do is behind the scenes, lots of things have happened. So we now need to connect everything up and put it on Vercel. And so to be able to do that, it will create for us a GitHub repository with the code inside. And it will also deploy on Vercel. But Vercel needs to know a bunch of information about our Uniform project ID and the API keys and things like that. And so let's click deploy to Vercel. And then copy paste all these items here. And then once that is done, it will redirect back to this page and we can have a look at the project we've created. So here we go. So it opens in a new tab. And so let's just make it a Git repository. It could also be Bitbucket or something, but we'll go for GitHub. And we call it DXP, of course. Here we go. Let me just zoom you in a little. There we go. So we don't need a GitHub team. Or this might be, oh, sorry, it's just a Vercel team. We don't need that. And so what we need now is actually to copy paste those values that we just saw on the screen in here. So Vercel knows what to do to release our code base. Okay, here we go. So our Contentful tokens. copying everything. By the way, these tokens will be invalidated after this video, so don't be clever and take my stuff. There won't be any need for that. All right, so I clicked on deploy, and Vercel is now going to do its business. It has all the information it needs. It grabbed the information from my GitHub, and now it should be able to build it. And so this might take a little bit because it's the initial build. It needs to get all the NPM packages and things like that. And so in the meantime, let's have a look at my GitHub account. Let's see what was added there. Oh, that was almost good. Here we go. So it just created this GitHub repository for us. And so everything is kind of nicely integrated like that. And so you can see if you wanted to do this manually, how everything works. It's all here. And so this is still building. And so what I'll do is I'll wait for it to be done, and I will just fast forward this so you can see we're doing everything live. There's no edits here. All right, it actually worked. And now we're being redirected back to our uniform page. And so basically what you can do from now on, everything works, by the way, but what you can do from now on is actually go to Vercel and figure out what that website looks like, which we'll do now. And then afterwards, we can explore some other things, which we might not all do in this video. I just wanted to show you the quick startup. So let's go to our dashboard and have a look at our DXP, and let's visit it. And so here we go. We just created a website with uniform canvas that is connected to Contentful, and it has products. But as you can see, these products are right now not really connected. We still have to do that inside uniform. So how about we do that? So let's go back to our project. And let's have a look at Canvas. So we have created a landing page. That's this landing page here. And inside you can see there's a header, there's a hero and stuff, and there's actually a product here. And that product, you see there's no BigCommerce product just selected yet. So let's do that now. And let's find something. I'm not sure if we can find these. No, let's just do this lovely coffee brewer. Let's accept. But there's actually more products here. So also let's do another one where we do maybe some more kitchen related stuff. Yeah, okay, let's select this and let's actually save and publish. So we haven't actually set up a webhook from uniform to Vercel to be able to detect this change and then do an automated deploy. I won't do that for this video. If you set that up and you change anything here or you change anything in your CMS, it will actually update this file here. And that's it for the video. I wanted to keep it quick. And as you can see, there's in a short time, you can do a lot of things. And feel free to visit our documentation or have a look at our other videos that we've done to look at our universe and all the things we're doing at Uniform. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers.